Today I'm going to teach you how to use the flood selection tool in Affinity Designer. This tool is incredibly useful for selecting specific areas of your design based on color similarity, making it perfect for editing complex images or isolating particular elements. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to work with a file. You can either open your existing file or create a new one to get started with the flood selection tool. Now look toward the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the workspace options, and you'll want to click on Pixel. This switches your workspace to pixel mode, which is essential for using the flood selection tool effectively. The flood select tool is specifically designed to work within the pixel workspace. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your tools are located. Click on the Object Selection tool, and from there you'll see a drop-down or submenu appear. Select Flood Select tool from these options. This tool allows you to select areas based on color and tone, making it incredibly efficient for isolating similar colored regions. Before you start selecting, you'll want to adjust the tolerance setting, which controls how similar colors need to be for the tool to select them. Navigate to the upper left corner and click on Tolerance. A slider will appear that lets you adjust this setting. Moving the slider to the right increases tolerance, meaning it will select a broader range of similar colors, while moving it to the left makes the selection more precise and limited to very similar tones. Now you're ready to use the tool. Simply click on the object or image you want to flood select. The tool will automatically select all connected areas that match the color tolerance you've set. Feel free to explore this feature by clicking on different parts of your object or image. You'll notice how different areas get selected based on their color similarity. Optionally, if you want to add some creative touches to your selection, click on the Paintbrush tool in the left sidebar. Then you can use it directly on your canvas to paint within or around your selected area, giving you more control over your design. Finally, if you want to delete the flood select area you've created, simply click Delete on your keyboard to remove the selected area. This clears your selection and allows you to start fresh or move on to the next part of your project. And that's everything you need to know about using the flood selection tool in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.